Hello my dear 6th standard students. How are you all? Yes, very good. Now we have finished your first chapter, that is food, where does it comes from? Am I right? Now let's recap, children. Okay, what all we have studied in the first chapter, that is food, where does it come from? Chapter 1, that is food. Where does it comes from? So, dear students, in this chapter, in earlier videos, we have already studied about there is a lot of variation in the food eaten in different regions of India through your activity. Many of you have sent the activity tables. I am very glad to receive, and few of the students had called me and cleared the doubts. Am I right? Very good. That is the spirit of learning applicable science. Okay. Science means not only hearing, reading, scoring. Science means it has to be applicable in our day-to-day life. It is the surrounding matter what we are going to study. I am really happy with 6th standard students. Okay. And what the next point we have studied? We have studied the main sources of our food are plants and animals. Okay. First point is what? First point is there is a variation of food. First point, variation of food. The second point is the sources of our food are sources of our food are plants and animal stew. Plants and animals too. And the third point is animals which eat only plants are called as what? Yes, of course. Those are called as herbivores. We studied about herbivores. Now, one more we have studied. Animals which eat only animals are called as what? Here, you should not forget to write the example. Herbivore, example, deer. And of course, you should remember cow, etc. Okay, now the next one is animals that eat only other animals are called as carnivore. Carnivores. See, here you have to remember the spelling. How to remember the spelling? I'll tell you. Okay? You have to remember herb. Herb means what? Only vegetables. Okay? Only vegetables. The animals which depend on plants. Herbivores. Okay? Herbs are nothing but the plants. Okay? Herbivores. Herbivorous is a common word. Ores. Okay? Herbivores. It's a common. Now, animals which eat other animals. Here you have to remember carnivores. Carni. Okay. Again, Worse is a common. Okay. Carnivores. Here, what are the examples of carnivore here? They eat only other animals. Those are tiger, lion. Dear students, you have to follow my pronunciation. How I pronounced this tiger, you will pronounce here lion, lion, lion. You'll pronounce it's a lion. Okay, you have to concentrate while reading and pronunciation. Okay, you will tell us lion, lion, lion. No, it's a lion. Understood? Tiger, lion. Tiger, lion. Is it clear? And herbivores, no, it's herbivores, carnivores. Okay, herbivores, carnivores. It is not pronounced as ores. It is to remember to write the correct spelling. That is the technique. Okay, now let's coming for the third point. That is in this third point, that is omnivores. Omnivores. What is omnivores? These are the animals which belongs to both the groups. They will eat plant also, other animals also. They are both vegetarians. They are also non-vegetarians. They can eat the flesh or meat. Okay. Here, see. Omni you have to remember. Okay. Verse is again common spelling to all these three. Understood? Now, the best example of omnivore is here. I don't know to draw, but what it is? Yes, this is cat. So you have to remember omnivores means cat. And the most common question which is asked in every year, usually we will ask, that is crow is called as a omnivore. Why? Because it eats both flesh and plant product. So here crow is also an example for omnivorous animals. So dear students, this all we have studied. One more point we have studied. Okay, what is that? What are edible things and non-edible things? Edible means the things which are eatable. Non-edible, which we cannot eat. Am I right? So dear students, let us solve a bit part of exercise of your textbook. Okay, that is nothing but fill in the blanks. Dear students, in fill in the blanks, I am going to give you some options and you are going to write the correct answer and send the pic for me. Okay, it is already written. Now, the first is tiger is a dash, because tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. Eats only meat. The second fill in the blanks is deer eats only plant products. So it is called as deer eat only plant products. Only plant product. So it is called as. What it is called as. In the summary of the lesson, we have learnt what it is called as. The next one is parrot eats only dash product. Parrot, observe carefully, I am not pronounced as a parrot. I have pronounced it as parrot. Okay. Parrot eats only dash product. Products. Okay. Now, the fourth is the dash that we drink. The dash that we drink. The dash that we drink, which comes from cows. Which comes from cows, buffaloes, cows, buffaloes, goats is an animal product. Sorry, animal product. Now, the last one is we get sugar from. We get sugar from. Dear students, options are given in your textbook. Okay, you have to read the textbook, write the answers in rough book, complete the sentence. You should not write like that fill in the blanks, A then answer. I don't want. During exam time also, you are going to write the complete sentence answers. 6th standard onwards, you are going to, I think 4th onwards, you are going to write in a ruled paper. Okay, so I don't want the direct answer questions here. How you follow in the language, the complete sentence has to be written. I don't want the direct answers. Okay, even you are going to follow the same thing in at your rough book till I give you the question answers. Okay, the tiger is a dash that answer because it eats only meat. You have to write it completely and send it to me. Next video, I am going to explain the question plus answers meaning. Once you understand the question and answers meanings, it is very easy for you to attempt the exams. Soon after this, I am going to conduct your unit test of 25 marks. So, be ready for the unit test.